What's a SALTO installer? Start with the doors you skip. Blame wiring, not risk. A SALTO installer is an authorized dealer who installs SALTO's battery-powered locks on doors you'd never run cable to. Every door, one system. Wired access control lives in a closet. It has to reach the door, like plumbing reaches a sink. What it can't reach, you cut. On a SALTO door, the lock is the reader. Reader, credential check, lock. All inside the door, on batteries, so you never run cable to it. You don't replace the door. The mechanical cylinder comes out, a SALTO cylinder goes into the same hole. Now that door's on the system. People get in with a card, a fob, or their phone. You issue the cards on site, so a new hire gets one that day. The unlock has 4 steps. You present the credential, the lock reads it, checks who's allowed and when, and turns. Someone leaves. You revoke their credential in the system, and that door stops opening for them. No locksmith, no new keys. You get a line for every unlock. Which credential, which door, when. And one SALTO system runs up to 64,000 doors across multiple locations. No real building goes all one way. Wire-free hardware covers the doors you'd have skipped, and a wired reader has its place. Every door accounted for. 19 years and counting, more than 20,000 locations protected. Commercial and government security systems nationwide. Safe and sound security, authorized SALTO installer. See which of your doors can go wire-free.